Oh! Ancient Rome cold. They want their PC back. Funny lol laggy computer jokes. Feed the hamster, he is getting tired. Need more coal? Let me get you some. He must be loading on an abacus. My cat loads faster. You can play League of Legends on Game Boy Color? Forgot to blow out the cartridge? I think your computer has termites. Thanks for the long load. Gave me time to eat my pie. Day 46. The percentage bar moved an inch. You should upgrade from the potato you are playing onto a turnip. Might go faster.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping
Remember to leave a like if you enjoyed it. Share your feedback in the comment section below.